Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roux from scratch. First, let's understand what roux is. Roux is a fundamental thickening agent in cooking, created by cooking equal parts fat and flour together. This simple mixture forms the base for countless delicious sauces, gravies, and soups. The cooking time dictates its color, which in turn affects both its flavor profile and its ability to thicken your dishes effectively. To begin, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pan, preferably a cast-iron skillet, and a good whisk to prevent lumps. For the ingredients, we'll use equal parts fat and flour. A good starting point is 1/4 cup of unsalted butter or a neutral oil, combined with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. This ratio ensures a consistent and smooth roux. Now let's get cooking. Start by melting your chosen fat, whether it's butter or oil, in your heavy-bottomed pan over medium-low heat. Once the fat is shimmering, gradually whisk in the all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly to create a smooth, lump-free paste. Keep cooking and stirring until your roux reaches the desired color, from a pale blonde to a rich dark brown, depending on your recipe. Roux comes in various colors, each with distinct characteristics. A white or blonde roux, cooked for just a few minutes, offers maximum thickening power and a subtle flavor, perfect for bechamel. A dark roux, cooked for 15 to 20 minutes or more, develops a deep, nutty flavor but has less thickening ability, ideal for gumbos. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.